Hello, friends. Here we are going to learn something new, like related to the labels. How you can divide your emails or you can categorize your emails. And we'll do the testing as well that what is happening exactly with using that method. So let me make one thing. I want all the emails let's say this Java developer position is there. So we have various Java requirements. You can see here and here, and many would be there if you will go down. So what you need to do, I just want these all should come in one folder. So I will click here and let's say Java developer, Java and on-site. These two things I want in the level. Let's say it would search in inbox. So all the jobs, all the emails which are having Java developer and on-site in subject line would come and they would apply the label. I can make any new label here. Let's say Java on-site roles, and then I will create and I just need to go down on this here, create filter, and then you can see Java on-site roles label has been created. And you will click here, you will find the requirements. I think that did not work out completely. Let me run it again. Java and on-site and developer. Create filter, apply. I need to click on this and create filter, and we need to wait for a few seconds, and then we'll see how many emails have come there which are having in subject line that on-site role and Java developer positions they are. So everything after that filter running would come here. You can see the emails which are coming here. Rest, you can click on this. You can change the color of this as well. Let's say I want to make red. So like this is coming there. So you can categorize to your Gmails, emails and all as per this. Or if you want to see same options, you will go settings, see all settings, and then labels. These are the labels like we have created. You can see here. So this is coming here. So you can choose these things accordingly, like as per your usage. You can create new label here as well. And if you go on top, there are the standard which comes in the since starting, like Gmail is in the market. So hope you understand this. So try these labels in your Gmail. If you have any questions, so you can ask me. And if you want to have like just in this email, I want to put in any label. So I would click on this. I would click on labels, and let's say I would click that labels. It would show there. So this is the process which we need to follow for different types of labels, and you can color them. So thanks for watching the video. If you like and if you find helpful this knowledgeable channel, so please subscribe and like, and I'll be waiting for the comments if you need any solution and support is there from your side. So I'll be waiting for that, and thanks for support. I'm getting good responses on the Gmails or under videos. Please try to give more, and I can make more understandable without issues level videos for all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.